guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it's going to be a super quick video. We're just going to be changing the engine air filter. I got one, I think I picked this one up at Walmart. It's just Fram, and the engine air filter box is this right here, right in front of the coolant reservoir. All we have to do to change this is there's two clips in here. Well, mine has one missing, so mine only has one. Is you just lift this up and it should unclip. There we go. And then this comes out. And mine has a flexible hose. I'm not sure if all Jeeps have that, but mine, so you might have to disconnect this clamp as well, but mine I do not have to. And this is our engine air filter, and this is pretty dirty. Yeah, so we're going to be replacing it today with this one. Nice clean white filter. Just goes right back into place. Just like that. And then you put the air box back on top. And it clips back into place. And that's it. That's it. Simple, quick, easy thing to make sure that no dirt is getting into your engine. Make sure your filter is clean. So yeah, that's how you change your engine air filter on a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Guys, so that was a super quick video, but make sure that if you're enjoying the content, you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you haven't heard my story about the Jeep, how I got it about a week or so ago, make sure you go check out my previous videos and stay tuned for what we have next. Let me know in the comments what modifications you guys would like to see, and we will try to set it up. Stay tuned.